my 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's having issues with the lights. If you don't know already, these damn 2014s, I'm not sure the other years, have a issue with the wiring harness. So I went to the local junkyard and got myself a good one. So I'm gonna change that out. I figured I'd do a short video. It's 4 10mm bolts there. Easy peasy. Don't wanna drop that, so do the rest of my fingers. There's one. There's 4 of them. 2. One right here. 3. Can't see that one. I don't want to drop it. 3. And then number 4 is right there. Okay, so now it should just slide right out. Should. Anyway. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And then I forgot to undo the wiring clip. Just squeeze that and pull that out. Alright. Doesn't look like really anything's wrong with it, but it will not work. I think it's melted inside here. Clips. See how they... On my other one, I actually put some grease in there. Let's see, let me show you. It's not easy doing it with one hand. Sorry. Anyway, well, that one don't look as bad. We can see how it looks all burnt. Anyway, all right. So now put the new one in. You could probably wipe all that down. Alright, I'm gonna wipe this down and then I'll show you how to put that back in. Alright, clean it up a little bit, at least around the edges. Now I'm gonna put this new one in. Just like I took the old one out, just go in straight with the screws. Or the bolt, yeah, there we go. Oh, went right in nice and easy. I'm gonna take these bad boys, 4 of them, and just screw them back in. I took my car to the dealership because of the light issue, and they said, oh yeah, there's been an issue with these lights. I'm like, why isn't there a recall? Everybody's burning out. Doesn't make any sense. So I went down to the one of the wrecking yards that pulls parts off of cars and bought this guy for $100 plus tax. Not bad online. They wanted way more. And then at the dealership, they want to charge me $800 for that and labor. They're insane. It's a rip-off. And then I had to change out my... Well, I didn't do it. I had them do it because I was scared of the airbag. But I'm sure I could do it myself now. I had them change out the blinkers because my high beams kept going. Every time I turned the high beam on, the lights would shut off. I ended up being the switch to turn the blinkers on. It's right here. This guy ended up going bad. Anyway, tighten these up real quick. Where's my... I don't want to tighten them too tight. I don't want to break them. Honestly, I don't know how tight you're supposed to tighten the butt. And this one right here, I might have to give it an end wrench. Got it. I'm gonna strip it out. All right, now I'm gonna plug it in. Do that just like that. And then this guy goes on. This way. No, not that way. This way. So this guy goes in there. And these pinch it on the sides. And voila. That's it. All changed out. Oh crap, look. I didn't get it in all the way. I'll check the other side. Yeah, I gotta get that in better. Live and learn, right? Should have checked that before I put that on there. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave it like that. Leave you at that. I'm gonna take that off and fix it real quick. And then I'll show you a picture of it mounted in there all the way. Alright, so show what I did real quick. So on this, it came out. What I had to do with both hands was hold this in while I pushed this in. There's a little, see that little groove right there? Right there. It has like a little lip right here and then it goes behind. So, because I'm going to use my camera to try and do this with my knee. Oh, look at that. Did it with my knee. Pushed it in. It's in. And now, I will screw it back together. I don't need to show you that again. So I'll screw that together and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, look at that. Good as new. Max. And my little trusty sidekick helping me. Alright, well, hope you like my video. Hope you're able to change yours out quick and easy. Literally 5 minutes. If I wasn't videoing, this would have been done. All right, started the car up. Just want to check and make sure my lights all work. I was having that issue. So when my light up here would come on, this light wouldn't come on. And I would have to turn off my headlights during the day so that I could actually have one brake light. So anyway, lights are all on. As you can see the tail light right there, working. It's hard to tell, it's daytime. But all right, sis, hit the brakes. Oh, thank you, baby Lord Jesus. Lights are working. So excited. All right, thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.